Best months to visit Thailand as a BL fan. Game, sagutin natin yan.
Pero baka naman, follow niyo muna ako. Click mo muna yung plus sign dyan sa baba ng cute kong picture.
Go. Actually, any month naman is okay pumunta ng Bangkok. So instead of best months, share ko na lang sa inyo kung ano at kailan ang mga events na dapat nyong targeted para makakita kayo ng madaming BL fans and Thai artists in general. Feel ko medyo mahaba tong video na to, no? Kaya magstay ka hanggang dulo, ha? Let's start. Tara, let's start. And first on the list, book fairs. This happens 3 or more times in a year. And talaga namang isa to sa mga events na tina-target ng mga BL fans dahil sa fan sign event. And honestly, sobrang nakakaingit ng mga fancams from this event. Swertihan to daw and need mong gumastos check. Because this is how it works. Aattend ka ng book fair. Bibili ka ng merch from GMM TV booth. And then you'll earn 1 raffle ticket per 500 baht na magagastos mo. So for more chances of winning, you need to buy more. Pero kapag nabunot ka naman, swerte kasi sure na ang close interaction mo with the artist. Take note though that this is GMM TV specific. Parang wala pa akong nakita or narinig na ibang company na nagpa-fansign during book fairs. So iba-iba yung nag-host ng event na to. Merong Nai In Book Fair, Y Book Fair, and International Novel Festival. This usually happens at around last week of January to first week of Feb, mid-February, also happens around July to August, and sometimes September to October. Next, Songkran! Songkran is Thailand's New Year festival, and this is a great time to be in Bangkok. Hindi lang para mabasa, but also because there will be a lot of events set up in different areas of Bangkok where our favorite Thai artists will be guesting. Kaya naman marami ka talagang makikitang artists during Songkran. Though, based from my experience and observation, mas maraming guesting ang mga T-pop artists compared sa mga actors during Songkran. So, kung gusto mong mabasa ng mga Thai artists, this is the event to be at. Songkran happens every April 13 to 15, but the celebration can last up until the whole week. Next, LOL Fan Fest. Always happens every May, where most of GMM TV BL couples will be performing in a concert-type event. Mahirapan lang talaga sa ticketing though, pero tiyaga lang kay papapanood mo rin sila mag-perform with abs. Hindi! Next is Pride Month! Ano pa nga ba? Siyempre, ito ang month ng kabalingan. And it is a great time to be a bading in Bangkok. Aside from the iconic Pride March, where some artists also participates in, there will be a lot of events as well in different areas of Bangkok where you can see your faves. O diba, bading na naghahunting ng mga bading during Bading Month? Pasabog! And of course, this happens every June. Parang mahaba na yung video. Oo, part 2 tayo. Tara, part 2 tayo. Punta ka sa part 2. Go.